If you want to start using TradingView, you should click on the link in the description to create an account and get $15 off when upgrading. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tradovate to TradingView. First, make sure you already have an account on Tradovate, or if you haven't, you can just select or click the Open Account. Now, assuming you've already created your Tradovate account, this is what it looks like. So it is a demo account, but in this case, I'm going to show you how to connect Tradovate to TradingView. Now, go to the settings, application settings. Now, click on that and then select the add-ons. Once you select the add-ons, you will see here the TradingView. You have to pay a $9.99 per month in order to connect it to TradingView. And assuming you bought or paid the plan for these add-ons in Tradovate, you can now connect it to TradingView. And that's it. That's how you connect Tradovate to TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.